So here's how to add Chatgpt in WhatsApp free. So as you can see, we're now in the WhatsApp application. This is your WhatsApp chats page and you'll be able to view all your chats over here. Now, let's go ahead and open up any chat from the list. As you can see, the Chatgpt number has been shared in this chat. Now, let's tap on the number. After that, tap on Chat. You have now added Chatgpt to your WhatsApp successfully. You can now chat and ask any questions over here. This way, you can easily access Chatgpt straight from your WhatsApp without having to open your browser or using the Chatgpt app. You can also use it to streamline your conversations on WhatsApp. And that's it. Following these simple steps, you can easily add Chatgpt to WhatsApp for free.